Okay guys, so right now I only have $5. So what happened right here is that, so I deposited $32 and then I lost $27 right here, as you can see from this actual trade that we have right here. So I end up losing $27 and now I'm only left with $5 on this trading account, and I'm going to use these two indicators that we have right here, which is the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA, and I'm going to give you the proper settings near the end of this video once I recover all my losses using these actual indicators that we have right here. So trading with these actual indicators is very simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to be trading each and every step and also on each and every trade. So here we have gold actually pushing up right here. So what we want to see first is to have this actual blue indicator going above the black indicator. So here we don't have that yet, so we have to be patient because right now all the indicators are at 1 point, which means the market can either go down or go up, but we can mainly see from how the market is moving that it's actually going up right here. So let's be patient a little bit and see how gold actually move right here. If it closes way up here, this will be a good chance to actually make money going up as we continue to go up. So let's wait and see what gold do right here. So here you can start to see that the blue indicator is now going slightly above the black indicator. Okay, so now we're going to enter a buy trade right here using this actual two indicators so that we can actually recover all our losses, and you can see right here that we are now into profit immediately. So what's happening right here is actually a good thing. You can see that we are already in profit, $4.85, right? $5. Okay, that's good for me. $5. Okay, it pushed down a little bit, so but it's still okay right here, right? From just a $5 account, now we are back to $9.49, and we're actually coming back slowly. So here we are not going to go full margin yet because we are trying to recover what we have lost. So let's enter a short trade right here using 0.2. So the reason we are entering this actual trade with 0.2 right here is because gold, you can see that it's very volatile right now, right? It's going up and down, and also it's making gaps in between. So when it goes into profit, we also have to make good profit, and this is what exactly we are doing right now. You can see the gap and also how gold is actually going down now in $6, $9. That's okay for me. $10 profit, that's good. That's actually really good right here. So this is why we now have this profit. So let me explain how we actually enter this trade. So you can see the blue moving average is now below the black moving average, and gold pushed up to this actual blue moving average, which is where we actually saw that gold was about to go down because of this big rejection, and we entered exactly right there and made profit. Now our account is now at $18.69. So we're very close to where we started, right? We're in about $27 loss. So let's enter a sell trade right now. So the reason we're entering this actual sell trade is very simple and straightforward, right? Here you can see another gap being formed. This is a gap to bounce on the moving average. Then we have a red candle right here now pushing down. So here you can see already we are in profit, now back into loss. So this is a good thing what we are actually seeing right here, that we are actually seeing everything happening right in front of you while you are recovering all the losses that we actually took. So when should you close the trade? Should you close when you get to $27, $30 right here, $30? Okay, $30, we are right there, $30, which means we are now above where we started. So this is now $34.23. Let me explain how we actually get this trade right here. So if you look exactly right here, you can see gold was going down with this red candle, then the green candle came, right, which means we have a support level right there. Then now gold pushed down, now coming back again to this actual level, which means this actual level now acting as a resistance, and at the same time we have the blue indicator below the black indicator. This is why we entered this trade exactly right here. Very simple, very straightforward, and by using these simple two indicators, we have now recovered our loss of over $27, and now our account is over $34. Should we close everything right now, or do you need to see more ways on how you can actually make money with these two indicators? Because right now these two indicators have helped us to recover the loss. But to actually see if this actual strategy is really powerful, so let's enter a short trade right now. So this and we are entering this actual short trade is very simple. You can see that gold formed this actual big candle, came back up, right, which means this actually a small wick before gold continues to go into the momentum that it is right now. So here you can see that the trade is actually pushing up $170, $200, guys. This is crazy. Should I close right now? Should I close right now? Okay, this is actually crazy. I did not expect to actually make this profit like this to over $210 in just like that. I did not expect something like this, but you can see gold is actually moving down very crazy, very nicely. And this actually is the good thing about actually following your strategy again and again. When you believe your strategy, there will be times just like this where you enter the trade and the market goes into direction very nicely. So here we just wanted to recover our loss of $27, but look what happened. We ended up making over $200 in just like that. I hope you learned one or two things from this actual video on how to recover your losses using a very simple strategy but very powerful. You can see this actually a very simple strategy where we have this actual blue indicator and this actual black indicator. So let me give you the settings of these actual indicators. So for the first moving average, period is 9, then method is exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel, color is blue. So this is the first indicator that you see, which is this one that we have right here. Then if you go to the second moving average, you can see that period is 20, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel, color black right here. So these are the two indicators that we used today, and the opportunities for using this actual indicator are a lot. So by watching this video 2 or 3 times, you'll be able to fully understand where I was entering, why I was entering, and most importantly, how I was able to make $200 very fast. I did not expect to actually make this profit because my goal was just to recover $20 loss, but we ended up making over $200, which is too good. I'm not complaining. This is actually very good. So I hope this video helps 1 or 2 traders to become profitable and also to recover all their losses that they face in the forex market. If you end up making profit with this actual strategy, make sure you come back to this video, comment below how was your experience with this actual strategy and what really happened, how much profit you made, because that will give me more motivation to make more videos just like this. This is Mobile Forex. See you on the next video.